Youth Runner.
Okay. Hi, I'm Paige Rice, and I'm here with Youth Runner. And these are some of our top finishers. Can we go down the line and introduce ourselves? What's your name? Dallin. I got third, and I go to middle school.
Tags off.
And I go to Stoller.
I'm James, and I go to Abilene Middle School.
I'm Irene. I'm there. I go first.
Awesome. So just Stoller, right? So you guys top two, right? Top three, whatever. Is your team pretty good? Do you think you guys could have done well as a team? Yeah? That was a pretty strong finish for you guys. Yeah? How was the course? Was it muddy? Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah. So some of you guys are wearing spikes and some are flats. You ran in spikes too. Was that good? Did you recommend it? And then was it probably slipperier without them?
I can't really tell. I'm not allowed to wear spikes.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, awesome. Any other races on the schedule for you guys? This is the last one.
I think this is the one.
November 1st. Okay, cool. Do you guys run track as well? Yeah, so then you're going to look forward to that after cross country ends? Yeah? Awesome. Okay, well, good job today and good luck with track season.